How to log in and play multiple accounts on Brawl Stars. Playing multiple accounts on Brawl Stars requires either switching accounts on the same device or using multiple devices. So here is how you can manage multiple accounts efficiently. Firstly, Super ID allows you to have saved multiple accounts and switch between them easily. Open Brawl Stars, and once you do so I am already logged into my previous account. So in order to add my another account, I'll have to tap on the 3 dashboard option available in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Supercell ID in the bottom. After you tap on the Supercell ID, you'll be navigated to the Supercell ID settings. Tap on the settings icon available on the top of your profile picture. Then now scroll down. Here you can see switch account and logout option available there. Simply tap on the switch account option, and after you tap on the switch account, you will be navigated to the another account login option. Now here enter your new account email and continue with the process, and you'll have to enter the verification code of your new email, and then you can simply switch account between your multiple accounts and play accordingly. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.